that movement. She doesn't know what to make of it.
Come on, Boy, be a little more playful.
She's just so loud. There you go. Oh yeah, that would be a much better bark, right?
Yeah.
Much easier to take.
His is piercing the earth.
He's what?
Yeah.
His is just piercing the
No.
earth.
Yeah.
He's loud.
Oh.
See, she sounds like Tom sounds just like
Yeah.
If Con doesn't get the water, that's what she does.
Listen to what they're saying to each other. Bella.
Let me use the bathroom.
Sure. Bella.
Stay. No, stay.
Stay, Bella. Stay. Stay. Good girl. Good girl. They both do. He's telling him. He's telling her. Oh, I love that. See, we have to get Charlie over here. Oh, he'll be right back. Barney, he'll be right back. Oh, damn it. Bella.
Flatten out.
We're gonna get you. We're gonna get you. Is he coming? Huh? They're both waiting. Bella, stop barking.
Come on, boy, we gotta go. We gotta fix a window.
Oh, look at him looking. Barney, hi baby, hi baby. Oh, I got you. Look at him watching you. Oh,